Near Florida currents, I laid careful fingers in his back's propeller-cut grooves, pressed my feet into the tough spatula of his tail, and rambled about rotten pomegranates, salt water-soaked wheat, shattered wine glasses on sticky linoleum floor. We wept and laughed over humankind's foolishness, his two eyes cataract by microplastics.